let's talk about Binance Coin or BNB. What is Binance Coin? Well, it's the third biggest coin right now with a market cap of roughly 95 billion US dollars. And if you don't find this impressive, well, it's gone up 16-fold since the start of this year. Its market cap is bigger than that of the UK's largest bank, Barclays, Switzerland's largest bank, Credit Suisse, and Japan's largest bank, Mitsubishi Financial Group, so it's big. It's big. Binance Coin started off as a ERC20 token, meaning it was originally created on the Ethereum blockchain before it was eventually moved to its own blockchain, the Binance chain. And it was created to facilitate trading on the platform, which clearly works since it helps the Binance exchange support around 1.4 million transactions per second, which is quite a lot. So, what do you use Binance Coin for? Well, the first and primary use case of Binance Coin is trading and paying fees on the Binance exchange. However, by now, you can also trade BNB for other cryptocurrencies on most crypto exchanges. You can also use BNB for payment to crypto credit cards. You can put it down as collateral for loans on some crypto financing platforms like Nexo, or even pay it as currency to some service providers in the hospitality or travel industry. Now, how many Binance coins are there actually? So, BNB was created with a hard cap of 200 million coins. When it was released, 100 million coins were released to the public to buy, 80 million were allocated to the founding team, and 20 million were given to angel investors. So you cannot actually make more Binance coins, you can just buy them. Now, the plan is to periodically burn coins until the supply goes down to 100 million so that the price of BNB can be stabilized. And you may ask, well, what is burning? Essentially, every quarter, Binance plans to use 20% of its profits to buy Binance coins and burn them, essentially wrecking them and removing them from supply. And so far, I think there's been about 14, maybe 15 burns. And that's taken out quite a big chunk of Binance coins, but the supply is still way above 100 million. If you enjoyed the video so far, make sure you subscribe down below and click the bell icon so that you get all of the latest videos. Okay, so why buy Binance Coin? And firstly, obviously, we've got the general reasons for buying and owning crypto, right? So protection against inflation, hedging, diversification, and so on and so forth. But also, if you're using the Binance exchange, buying Binance Coin and using it to trade or to pay fees will also give you a special discount, which means that it will be cheaper for you to invest in crypto. And if that's something that you want to do, then maybe, Binance Coin is a good buy. But then some people believe that the Binance Coin still has room to grow and hit, for example, $1,000 or even more. But whether this is probable or possible, well, that's a different discussion. Now, what moves the price, and is it all just hype, or are there actual reasons behind it? So, the price of the coin is linked to two things mainly. First of all, Binance's reputation and performance, and secondly, the periodic reduction in Binance Coin supply through the burn. Obviously, the less coins there are in circulation, the more valuable they'll become. Also, Binance offers a platform for future coin offerings through its Launchpad and Launchpool, which require owning BNB. This is one of the reasons why BNB has moved so much in the last year, and this could actually continue to help its growth. Add to that the overall sentiment towards cryptocurrency, the movement of Bitcoin's price, and you get a pretty decent idea of what drives BNB's valuation. Overall, hype's definitely driven the price, but the coin has actual financial backing and is much more legitimate than a ton of other coins. Finally, how do you buy Binance Coin? Well, obviously through Binance, but also because it's the third biggest coin on the market. Generally, most online brokers and crypto exchanges will offer it. Personally, I own BNB through eToro and Nexo, and if you're interested in them, I'll put links to them in the description below. Okay, so this was Binance Coin in a nutshell. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also, check out my playlist Crypto for Beginners for more beginner videos. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.